Good morning. Happy January 5th. Luna's behind me on the bed, enjoying the view. So I just finished editing the daily video for yesterday. I'm gonna get ready soon. I'm gonna unpack some boxes. I'm gonna pack up some Etsy orders, and then I have to film 2 videos for my main channel because I am actually working now tomorrow. My friend contacted me and said last minute they have an event that they need a bartender for, so I'm gonna go do that tomorrow. I'm a little nervous though. I'm wondering if it's even gonna be busy because it's really cold here. Like, it's in the 40s right now, and I don't think it's supposed to heat up tomorrow, so I don't know. We'll see. And then I actually start a 1-day-a-week job next week. So I'm going to be doing like social media videos and photos for the tattoo shop that I actually go to. Erin said they were looking for someone to help out with that, and I met with them like a week and a half ago, and they called me, and my first like day of going up there to take photos and videos for them is on Tuesday. So that's exciting. So I'm waiting for this video that I just finished to render, and I'm gonna upload it and then get started on all of the other stuff that I mentioned. Rolly might come back today, but I don't know. I know that it's kind of far for him, like from where we moved, so we'll see. But yeah. Also, side note, look at these pins. I did a pin trade with a fellow pin maker, since you guys know that I design enamel pins. Sorry that my band-aid's kind of crazy. I like cut myself on one of my crystals yesterday. Anyway, he sent me a bunch of his pins, and I sent him a bunch of mine. So I had asked specifically for like a few of his Game of Thrones ones, and I think he actually sent me most of them. So we have Arya, we have the Clegane bowl, so there's the Hound with a Sandor horn. Oh, that's George R. R. Martin with like the creepy eyes. See his eyes? And then for the other Clegane bowl pin, we have Gregor, Airhorn, and then of course the mountain or the creature, whatever you want to call him. And then this is the one that I originally traded for. I wanted the Kylo pin for a Kylo pin, so that was our original trade, and then we just kind of like went buck wild and sent each other like a bunch. Obviously Tormund, come on, he's amazing. That's the, I think it's either just a Walker eye or like the dragon eye, but like I loved it. And then we have obviously Tyrion. So, and then up here I just thought this one was really cute. It says unfollower. I like it. And then that is Lydia Dietz, or the Dietz's house. It's not Lydia Dietz, you know what I mean. So yeah. Thank you so much, Joe. These are amazing. I can't wait to post them on my Instagram. Like, I was not expecting this many pins, so thank you. I just took a Looney Bear out to the bathroom. And now I am gonna eat lunch. I made myself some lunch because today I'm going back on my like hardcore low carb, no sugar thing. So for breakfast I had like a healthy cereal with like some almond milk, and for lunch I'm having a salad, and I'm having tuna salad on a gluten-free, wheat-free bun. So yay. Luna is lounging, and I am watching my friend Maureen while I'm packing orders. Do you guys do that? Like when you're like busy and stuff, like doing something, do you just put on like a bunch of videos? By the way, go subscribe to Maureen if you're not. Glitter and Groceries. She's awesome. And she lives really close to me, and we need to hang out more. I miss you, Maureen. Just as like a filler ending to this video, I lost my camera in a pile of stuff right here, and I just found it. But this is essentially what I've been working on for like the past day. I got all of this packed up. There's a ton of stuff under there. And then these are all things that I'm still working on getting packed up. So yeah, your order is most likely here. And I did a mystery grab bag thing last night, so that's what that all is. Getting everything packed up. I do have to work today. So today's video will be me bartending outside, hopefully not dying because it's cold out. But yeah, so I just wanted to letting you guys know I found my camera, and this is why there was no ending. So this is the ending to today's video. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.